Bible by his bed. Always says a prayer before breaking his bread. I swear there's not a selfish thought that runs through his head. I've always been a leader, but he makes me wanna be there. Oh, the way he takes control, puts me first and provides and makes me feel like a natural one. Oh, he cherishes my soul, pulls me deeper into my faith and closer to my salvation. Does not eat. He protects my heart and he washes my feet, makes all the other men I've met look so obsolete. Oh, the way he takes control, puts me first and provides and makes me feel like a lottery winner. And when oceans escape from my eyes, he's never afraid, 'cause he's a good swimmer. Planted a garden, look how it grows. Each word of affirmation, a thornless rose. Proves with his actions he loves me the most. I know nobody's perfect, but he's pretty damn close.